To discuss more resources for caregivers, we brought in our legal expert, Danielle Mayoras. Danielle, I know that you have so much expertise in this area, but that it's also personal for you. First and foremost, what do people need to know, or what do you want them to know about National Caregiver Month?
There's a lot of caregivers out there. I actually didn't realize it until I started looking at the statistics, but 1 in 4 American adults is actually caring for someone. And this could be someone who has an illness, with special needs, an aging loved one. And as you said, not only have I seen this with so many of the families that I work with in my law firm, but personally, my mom is a caregiver for my dad. And I've seen with all these families, the emotional, the physical, and sometimes financial toll that it can take. So this is such an important month to recognize these people.
Yeah, all encompassing, and 1 in 4, such a staggering statistics there. What protections are in place for family members who are caregivers?
Well, we do have something, the Family and Medical Leave Act. So if someone wants to take time off of work, they can take up to 12 weeks unpaid. And there's some nuances with that, you know, as far as you have to be there a certain amount of time, and the employer has to have 50 employees, things along those lines. But beyond that, something that I think is extremely important for caregivers, because I mentioned the financial toll, so many caregivers have to leave their job and don't have a source of income. So something they can explore is working with an attorney to do a caregiver agreement. This is actually an agreement between the caregiver, which can be a family member, and the individual being cared for, so they actually are compensated. And the reason this is so important is we want people to put it in writing and not just give money to their daughter or son for helping them, because down the road, if there's a long-term care issue like Medicaid and they're just giving money away and it's not in writing, there could be penalties for doing that.
Okay, so you want that paper trail?
Yes,
okay.
Yes, absolutely.
What legal steps can families take to support caregivers and protect everyone who's involved?
Estate planning is so important. You need authority not only for a caregiver to talk to doctors and things along those lines, but also if you want to hire a professional caregiver, you want to have a financial durable power of attorney to do that if the individual is no longer competent. So estate planning is critical. Financial power of attorney, medical power of attorney, or what we call patient advocate designation, and then also having that caregiver agreement in place. And one last thing, it's unfortunate, but a lot of times caregivers pass away before the individual that they're caring for. It's very sad statistics out there, especially as you get to be older as a caregiver, it's more and more likely. So it's important to have estate planning in place, not just for the loved one that you're caring for, but also for the caregiver as well.
All the more reason to have these conversations proactively.
Yes.
Danielle Mayoras, thank you so much.
Thank you, Rochelle.